Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you ever wanted to ban anyone in your Discord, it's actually pretty simple, right? So let's look at this bot as an example, right? Currently it's offline, but let's say this bot was online and they were typing some rude comments in the Discord chat and you wanted to ban them. All you would need to do is simply find them in the online chat right here, right click on them, and then click the ban button. Or in the actual chat itself, if they sent a message, you can right click on that and then you can ban them. But then you just hit the ban button right here. Then inside of here, you guys just need to say your reason for the ban, and let's say it broke the server rules, and then delete message history, and then you probably want to just do it for the past 7 days. If they have been rude for the past 7 days, if it's just the past hour, you can just leave it for the past hour. And just hit the ban button, and as you guys can see, the bot is completely gone. And you just successfully banned whoever you wanted to ban. And I mean, let's get it.